Hello guys and welcome back to a new video. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable cookies on Google Chrome. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so the first step, easily what I'm going to do here, we'll go and open our Google Chrome browser. And now once we open the browser, as you can see over here, we'll have these three dots up to the right corner. And so we're going to click on them over here. And now we're going to scroll down a little bit to find the settings option. Could be found between Excite and Help. And we're going to click on Settings. And now once we're here, what we're going to do exactly, we're going to scroll down or we're going to choose this option, which is Privacy and Security. Click on it. And from here, just go down a little bit to Site Settings. Once we click on Site Settings, we have Recent Activity. Just skip about it. Just go down until we can see this option, which is going to be Third-Party Cookies. You click on it and you can allow third-party cookies. You can block third-party cookies in incognito mode, or you can block them at all. And that's how we can turn off or turn on the cookies on Google Chrome. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.